Hi everyone, today we'll talk about practical tips to ensure you're getting enough micronutrients. Those essential vitamins and minerals that keep your body running smoothly, especially your immune system. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Diversify your diet. Different foods offer different nutrients, so aim to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. For example, citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, while leafy greens are packed with vitamin K and iron. Don't stick to the same foods every day. Mix it up. Tip 2. Focus on whole foods. Processed foods often lose essential nutrients during production. Instead, opt for fresh or minimally processed foods. Think of nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Whole foods not only give you more nutrients but also help your body absorb them better. Tip 3. Mind your cooking methods. Overcooking can destroy sensitive nutrients like vitamin C. Try steaming or lightly sautéing vegetables to retain their nutritional value. And whenever possible, eat raw fruits and veggies for maximum benefit. In summary, eating a diverse, whole food-based diet and being mindful of cooking methods can help you ensure you're getting the micronutrients your body needs. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.